Joseph is falling. Ooh, some maples that are in our yard that need to go. Oh, whoa! So that they don't come down during a storm. It's got this handy dandy little micro mini, but it's working really good. There, look at the size of that thing. It's nice and quiet, and it's getting the job done. Oh my god! Yes! That looks so much better.
I know.
It's letting some sun in too. There's the sun. Look at all that. So, those were the trees. Now they are tiny little baby stumps covered in moss. Doing one more? Or is that it?
I'm gonna trim them up and
Yeah, take them down. Do you
get them out of here.
do you haul them in the Kubota?
Yep.
Or with the Kubota? PNW. PNW left. All right. Thank you, Joseph.